Hi all. This is a video regarding the thinning of petals, which I have given you a tip for this week. So I'm going to show you what exactly you can do for this. Uh, I have this. See, I have this piece of petal which I have done. Okay, so once I have done the cutting with the cutter. See, it is still thick. Okay, it's still, if you see, it is still thick. Okay, so my only point here, what I would suggest you to do here is, see, don't start working too thin. The whole petal is too thin. For me, I would always have it a bit thick, the petal, and only the edges I will thin it. Okay, so in that way, so there is no need for wire, for even for, see, this such a big rose, you don't need a wire at all. Okay, even I can, the next layer I can use another bigger size petal also, so I don't need a wire at all for this. So because I thin on the top and I keep my half of the petal thick, so it holds the petal out when I'm working on. So I'm going to show you that. See, this thickness is more than enough for a start, and then I'm going to thin it. I'm going to show you how I thin it. See this. So once I have done this, so now I use a smaller, okay, I use a smaller rolling pin, just the edges. And see, and one more thing of the roses, if you want it to be more natural, see, the never a rose petal can be so perfect, right? So when we want it natural, what I do here is, if you could see, I'm just quickly just squeezing it in the edges, and this is, in this way I'm thinning the edges as well as trying to give one odd shape to it. So I don't want to be a perfect rose. So try to cut it as much as possible, and see, and when I'm doing this like this, the shape also changes. Okay, so just quickly, and this gives you the thinness of the petal. So I'm just going to cut, which I don't need this part. And if you see, this part, it is super thin. This part is super thin, and see how thin it is. And this part is still thicker, and this part is thinner. So in this, when you work on like this, so beautiful curls you can do. See this, I'm going to show you how beautifully I'm going to curl this. So it comes very nice and it will look very natural. Your shape is achieved however you want. You see, and see how beautiful it looks, like a real petal. So this is the tip of the week. Okay, so this is the video for that. So I'll be coming with more tips like this for every week. So I thought I could help you guys to achieve yourself, to get a better results for your flowers. See you soon.